Haters vex, can me bless, but me no stress. Boy, me nah no man problem. Me them a pre, them a wanna be. Girl a fi a worry about me no worry about them. Say no way me up. Girl a fi sit down, can't stand me. And me money nah. No borrow goods, no depend me. I feel me life and me love it. You know see a be a pretty pan me. Haters can't stand.
Welcome back to another YouTube video. You know it's your girl vibing into you, right? So the modded crew. Yes, and from haters I come back with another cooking video because clearly una love me so much. I decide to make another one. Yes, una me attack. Make this for my haters. So to my haters, welcome to the TT Nation. And you freak what you saying. Welcome to the TT Nation. And to my supporters, welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for giving me 200 subscribers. So before we get further into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe, commenting, and that post notification bell so you can be chatting foolishness, so you can be notified every time the TT Nation drops another video. And please be first so you can get a post notification shot. Yes, me haters, I'm giving it to you too because clear you haters need it. So to the post notification shout out goes back to that girl Kihona or Kijona. So today, as I said, I'll be cooking soup. So I'm gonna drop the chicken foot them in the pot already. So I'm just gonna peel up the food them. So I'm gonna see in the kitchen. So guys, see it here when I cook this. So I'm not done yet, you know. I have to peel off, yes, so. Yes, haters, peel it off and cut it up fine. That's it. So peoples, so the first batch here. No, stay, but don't worry. Now, when I post on Instagram, I can post it and say, I want to make a video. You can say, can you guys follow me on Instagram? Peoples, see it here. My carrot. What my carrot? My pumpkin. Because I'm going to cut up carrot, that's why. So, when I can barely see it, but just my pot. My carrot. You lock up my pot. So guys, I take up 7 carrots. So 7 make a cut up, so I wash them, you know. So
the only thing we need is the money that green. Pocket so steep, talk about my own dreams. I want is really my thing, don't me tell me. Money out for me, money out for me. I don't want broke again. Tonight, people are man problems. So me no worry about them. I depend on baby and me bank book apart. Tell me boyfriend. So real to you worry about fake me. I'm not care about all who don't rate me. Don't be insecure about your man, my haters. And any man can date me. Them no know, them no know. Tell me a real top girl. Them fi know me a real top girl. Real top girl, real top girl. Me can do it natural. Them no know. Tell me a real top girl. Them fi know me a real top girl. Real top girl, real top girl. Me can do it natural. Yes, pretty me no need a filter. Real top girl I run. Sharp like splinter. Me know your girl clothes. Me no pose in a rental. Work for this, it no coincidental. Money, hotter than a line in the airport. Eat them white like my Air Force. Me a drip on. Me soon need a raincoat. Creep up on them like police in a plain clothes. Them no know. Tell me a real top girl. Them fi know me a real top girl. Real top girl, real top girl. Me can do it natural. Them no know. Tell me a real top girl. Them fi know me a real top girl. Real top girl, real top girl. Me can do it natural. Tonight people are man problem. So me no worry about them. I depend.
hey guys, for that guys, no man, this real. Go bed, I'm done. Yes, I'm going to bed. Yeah, that must be in there. I'm not care. Basically, guys, my tell my mother I don't want to peel the yam. Say okay, mother so peel the rest, which is the Irish. Oh, I'm gonna make the dumpling, but I'm not video that one day. Cause I go along the Irish with chocho. So let us go. Make a peel the Irish first. Please, guys, I'm not a cooker, but when you watch on the items, Jesus, me touch yam and touch my skin. Watch the items. Watch the items when cooking. Wash your hands before cooking and wash your hands after cooking. And do not, if you're peeling yam, I repeat, do not touch your skin while peeling the yam. It will itch really bad. I did that once, and I have to use carbolic soap wipe it off. Yeah. I'm just gonna cut up the Irish and come back. It's my body for me. She go up.
Haters vex me bless us me no stress. All me nah no man problem. Me never pray them wanna be girl a fear worry about me. Me no worry about them. Say no way me ah. Girl a pity don't can't stand me. And me money nah. Tomorrow good no depend me. I feel me life and me love it. Me and I see a be a pretty fan me. Haters can't stop me. Me have one life to live. And me nah no one fuck me. Some bitch nah bite just one dog. Man book stick right body pan dog. Me no rent unless me a landlord. Me a bit in a kitchen and dip and God. Shelter is the stop what me start stacking up stock because money no can't fi burn or beg them. Pass my profile when me a stand me fine pretty face and me still a set gen. Yeah.
So guys, we got to do it again. The post notification shout out goes back to she. So guys, remember to go over to Lifestyle of Celebrities. Link will be in the bio, in the description. So guys, this was after I mix the soup up and thing. Yes, my pimento sweet and dumpling. Thank you. Bye.